Why e-com brands should push one TikTok hero product and not their entire catalog. All right, here's the truth. Most brands are slowing down their TikTok growth because they're promoting too many products at once. TikTok isn't Amazon. Nobody's browsing your store. They're reacting to one product demo, one hook, one problem being solved. And when you try to push your entire catalog, you spread your reach too thin. So in this video, I'm gonna show you why choosing one hero product leads to faster algorithm learning, stronger creator interest, easier bundling, and even better Amazon crossover sales. All right, let's get into it. Number one, TikTok isn't a catalog platform. On TikTok, people don't scroll through your entire lineup like they do on Amazon. Like I said before, they buy because of one thing: a single demo, a single visual, a single hook, or a single problem being solved. TikTok is a one product environment. When you push multiple SKUs at once, TikTok can't figure out what niche you're in, so your reach gets scattered and your GMV max learning slows down. But when you focus on one hero product, TikTok gets a clean identity signal. It knows exactly who to send your traffic to. Now, real quick before we move on, I'm Ian Smith with Evolve Media. We help e-commerce brands make photo and video content that actually converts shoppers or browsers into customers and buyers. It doesn't matter whether it's on Amazon, TikTok, or Shopify. So if you want a free audit of your TikTok shop setup or need help building a creator system that scales, head over to evolvemediaagency.com. Then just scroll to the bottom of the page and book a free Zoom call with me. You can also email me directly at ian@evolvemediaagency.com. All right, moving on. Number two, hero SKUs train the algorithm faster. One SKU equals more data per session, which equals faster learning. TikTok's recommendation engine wants consistency and repetition, not a bunch of mixed signals. When every video, every creator tag, and every conversion points to one SKU, TikTok understands the audience faster and starts pushing harder. Most brands stall simply because they spread their attention too thin. Number three, creators convert better with one product. Creators love simple offers. They don't want to dig through your catalog or figure out which product to focus on. One hero SKU makes outreach easier, adoption higher, and conversion more predictable. And when creators consistently promote the same product, TikTok rewards everyone involved because the data is clean. Number four, one product makes better product demos. Every viral TikTok product has the same structure: an eye-catching product demo, a clear before and after, a simple explanation, a visual payoff, a fast problem solution loop. Catalog diversity doesn't help you here. Simplicity does. A hero SKU lets you refine your customer demo until it becomes sticky, shareable, and more memorable. Number five, bundling becomes effortless once you have momentum. Starting with one hero product gives you a natural roadmap. It's basically hero SKU to add-on SKU to value bundle to holiday bundle to creator bundle. Instead of overwhelming shoppers with options, you're building a clean upgrade path that feels logical and intentional. Number six, TikTok to Amazon crossover strengthens. When one SKU becomes famous on TikTok, your Amazon listing gets flooded with branded search and cross-platform awareness. Conversions rise, ACoS drops, and your organic rank climbs because customers now recognize your product instantly. This is exactly how China's live stream giants scale. Push one SKU until it maxes out, then introduce secondary products. If you know about the Birria Bombs brand, then you know this is exactly what they did. They started with one Birria Bomb, a little 2-pack, and then they expanded their product line once they started getting a lot of customers and a lot of momentum going. Number seven, TikTok rewards consistency, not variety. Most brands never scale on TikTok because they bounce between products, offers, and creative angles. But TikTok's algorithm wants repetition. It wants to see one SKU win again and again. When you give it that consistency, it pays you back with reach, creator adoption, and predictable sales. If you want help figuring out your hero product, tightening your customer demo, or building a creator roadmap that actually sells, head over to evolvemediaagency.com and book your free audit Zoom call. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.